Hi everyone, Brian from Hank's Belts. Today I want to show you one of our most popular belts. This is our stitched version of our best-selling belt, the Gunner belt. This is the Gunner Stitched. Comes in three great colors. We got the brown in it. We have, of course, black. You gotta have that. And I think this is my favorite color, the oak. This is, I think this might actually be the best seller of all of them, is the oak. It's got a nice refined stitching on it. Makes it a little dressier than our regular Gunner that doesn't have the stitching. It's still solid one-piece leather, so this isn't actually two pieces put together. The stitching is just decorative. It comes with our heavy-duty roller buckle. It's indestructible. You can about run that over with a truck. And it is held on with Chicago screws, so you can just unscrew this if you like and swap the buckle out. Uses all of our, this uses the vegetable tanned leather. Like most all of our belts do. It's a much more expensive leather tanning process, much more time consuming than other process, but it just gives you a finish on the leather that just can't be beat with any other tanning process. So if you want a nice belt, it's a little more refined looking, super sturdy. You can use this for a work belt. It'll take things, you can hang off of it. It's a very popular carry belt and tool belt. And again, just all around wear. You can put this on with a nice pair of khakis if you want. That stitching just dresses it up just a little bit. So if you want a really nice rugged belt, head on over to www.hanksbelts.com, take a look at all of our great belts, and check out this Gunner Stitched one here. Make you a great belt. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down there. Follow our channel here for all the great videos. And again, my name's Brian. Appreciate you taking a look, and I'll be talking to you again soon.